Alright, in this video, I wanted to show how to write a line if you're given the slope and a point. So when you're writing a line, you want to follow what's called slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Now for slope-intercept form, you're going to be given the equation y equals mx plus b. Now when you look at this, you see two variables. The variables are x and y. The numbers are going to be m and b. The m is going to stand for the slope, so the m is going to stand for the slope, and the b over here is going to stand for the y-intercept. The y-intercept. So we're going to be using both of those numbers today to be able to form the slope-intercept form of a line. Now, the information that's given to you is that the line is going to go through the point 1, -1, and the slope is 4. So we already know what the slope is. The slope is going to be 4. So when I do my y equals mx plus b, I can write in for m, I can write 4. So I'm going to get the equation y equals 4x plus b. Now, to figure out what b is, I'm going to use my point, which is 1, -1. 1, -1. Now, when you're ever looking at a ordered pair like this, or a point, as they say, the first number is going to be the x-coordinate. The first number is always going to be the x-coordinate. And the second number is always going to be the y-coordinate. The y-coordinate. So x is 1, y is -1. Okay? Now, we can replace the x with a 1 right here. So I'm going to have 4 times 1 plus b. And the y over here, that's going to be the -1. And I'm getting that straight from the point. So now I have -1 is equal to 4 times 1 plus b. Well, I know that 4 times 1 is going to give me 4. So that's easy. I'm still going to bring down the plus b and the equal sign and the -1. So now what I can do to figure out what b is I can get b by itself on the right side. So to get b by itself, I would have to get rid of the positive 4. I can do that by subtracting 4 from both sides. Like this. So now the only thing that's going to be left on this side is going to be the b. The 4 and the -4 cancel each other out. And then I have -1 minus 4, which is -5. So now I know what b is. And if I know what m is, and I know what b is, I can write out my slope-intercept form. So now my slope-intercept form is going to be y equals mx. What's my m? That's going to be my 4 up here. So my m is going to be 4. Beside the 4 is going to be the x, right? The x. And then I'm going to have a plus b, which is -5. Now I'm going to rewrite this as y equals 4x minus 5. And that'll just take the plus out of the way. So my equation is going to be y equals 4x minus 5. And that's going to be the equation of the line. That's actually going to run through the point 1, -1. And it's going to have a slope of 4, which is going to be a positive slope. So your line is actually going to kind of look like this. Okay, so that's writing a line given the slope and a point. And in my next video, I'm going to show how you can write a line given only 2 points. So I hope that helps.